Everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create a custom forms and how we can import contacts and send email campaigns. Also, how we can embed a contact form in our page builder, and how we can redirect the user to a thank you page, and how to attach a downloadable button in the thank you page and provide free gifts to users. So let me go ahead and show you how we can do these things with EzyCourse. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and create a form. So you need to click on forms and contacts. So here every form, all of your forms will be available. So I'm going to create a new form. I will give a name, live test form, and I would say whenever somebody fill out these forms and send me an email copy of it. So I will get an email, and the email field is mandatory here. So other than email, I will go ahead and ask for a first name here. It should be type text, record field, and I will create another one, last name, as a text, record as well. So my simple form has been created nicely here. So I'll go ahead and click save. So my contact form is created, and I can see I have no contacts available at the moment. So we have only 0 contacts. Now I will show you how we can import contacts. So you click on the 3 dots here and click on import contact. Then you will be able to come to a page from where you can upload your CSV file. So let me go ahead and try to find a CSV file of a demo user list. So here I have a very demo sheets here. So I will click open, and it will give me a simple data copy, the first items of my from my CSV file, and it will give me the sample data. So this is an email. So I will be mapping this information with the email here, and this is intended to be the first name. So I will map it with the first name here, and it should be the last name. So this is how you can map your information, and you can upload 1000 items per import, and then you can upload unlimited amount of contacts in your system. And if you are on a free trial, you will be able to upload only 10 contacts during your free trial. So this is the limitations. Okay, so let me go ahead and click upload. While you are uploading, do not change the page or refresh. So my upload has been finished, and then I can see all of my contact different email informations here, and then all of the contact information I can see. And if I come back to forms and contact, I'm able to see I have 5 responses here. Now let me go ahead and show you how we can do with the pages. So first of all, we create 2 pages, one for our forms and one for our thank you page. So I would name it form page for now. And inside that page, we will be adding a symbol section, an empty section here. So maybe I can drop some text here. That's it. And in the other one, I would paste the form here. So you need to find the form builder widget from here, and then from the left side, you need to select your form. I would select my live test form. So it will be available here, and you are free to design the form however you want. You can change the background color and everything. So let me go ahead and see if this is the background. Okay, so this is the button background. So there are a lot of options so you can do. Now I'm interested in a custom thank you message. So once this button is submitted, you can actually customize your message. So I would just say, thanks for the form fill out, or thank you for your submission. Doesn't really matter. Now what I would be doing is that I would be creating another page. So let me save this one for now. I would go ahead and do the system and create another page called thank you page. Okay, so inside the thank you page, what I would be doing is I will be giving free giveaway. So let me go ahead and create a new page. So this is my new page. So let's call it thank you page. So there you go. We have a thank you page now, and So let me search for a thank you template from here if you have. So we have a thank you template here. So that looks nice, and we can add any kind of thank you page. So let me see, thank you with upsell, thank you with more suggestion, thank you with video, thank you next step, thank you with thank you with product summary. Maybe I can use this one instead. So I would insert. So this is a thank you page. I would make join the community. So I would remove this one and keep this one. Okay. So I would say download your free gift. So this is a thank you page, and we are allowing them to download a free gift, and this is how we link it. So I would be clicking on downloadable attachment, and then I will select a file that I want to give. So I will give anything from here. So that's it. I will save here. So this page is done, and then I will come back here and I would refresh this page because I have to fetch all of my pages here. I did save it, so that looks nice. I will click on it here, and the form is this one. Perfect. So submit and download your gift. Perfect. So when people actually submitting this form, they will see a custom message of this, and then we were redirecting to our thank you page. So this is important. You need to know that we have to redirect user after submitting their form, and we can send them to a thank you page. This is the page that we added a little earlier. So we will click on save. So that's nice. And now we are going to go ahead and click on preview. So this is how our page looks like. So if for this page, so it looks a little bit ugly because I'm not concentrating on designing. So what we will be doing is that, let me go ahead and fill out a form here. So nice. Once I click this page, I should be able to land to this thank you page, and clicking on this download button, I should be able to get my gift. So this is the whole thing. So let's go ahead. I got the custom message that I set, and then I was redirected to the thank you page, and I can see this page, and at the bottom I see download your gift. So if I click on this button, I should be able to download my PDF file. There you go. So the PDF file I have here downloaded. So this is how our form works. So now let me go back to the admin dashboard and see the response that I have just filled out. So I will go back in my forms and contacts. Previously it was 5 contacts, now it should be 6. So I can see 6 here. And then if I want to see the responses, so I will click on view responses, and I will see 1 more contacts here. Fine. And if I need to, I will be able to export all the contacts just by clicking on export contacts. So all of my contacts available in this form will be downloaded. Now let me go ahead and show you how we can use all of these contacts and send a campaign. So go to your email marketing broadcast, and you'll be able to select your audience. We are soon adding an email builder, so you'll be able to use more powerful options here. So right now we are going to use a classic builder for now. So you will be clicking on this respondent of X form. So now we will be able to see all of our forms here. Now if I click on live test form, and we will be able to see the variables available for us to use in our email subject and email body. So, okay, so if you can switch to different form as well, we have a lot of segmentation already pre-built for you, so that you can actually send email to your pretty much segmented users. You do not need to maintain list tags, everything. It is automatically done for you. So thank you for watching this video. Hope this really helps.